G'day there. This is part 3 of my 50 resonating receivers series. In this video I will be showing you the amp drawer of the circuit. Now this is my battery that I've been using throughout this series of videos. And it's only been used for probably about half an hour out of the 3 videos. So maybe an hour to an hour and a half total runtime on this battery on this circuit. I have just had 2 failed attempts at doing this video though. I prefer to keep it all in one take, so I'm doing it again, and the battery has dropped a bit while I'm doing that. We are now down to 1.124. So I'm going to zoom it back out, and we're going to go ahead and see what sort of amp draw we're getting. I also have some new coils. It's now 56 receivers. I have some twist tie, that's a 100 metre roll. That's a standard size roll, I think they're 25 or 50 metres. That one's snazzy purple wire. There's a green one there, that's a refill. Under the bench I have 2 new coils on top of the white one. I have the hybrid penny coil from before. And you can't quite see in the dark, on top of that plastic container is another one of those garden refills. And I also have this one here, which is 0.8mm enamelled wire with 2 ferrite slugs in there. I did a count just a minute ago and we are definitely up to 56. You can see everything in there. So I'll go ahead, I'll get this battery and I'll put it in. And we can see there the amp draw is dropping rapidly away from 500 milliamps. That will slow down in around the 450 to 430 sort of a range. And you can see I have all the LEDs lit. And some of the coils, receiver coils, are lighting 2 LEDs. There's probably 60 or 70 LEDs lit there. These ones in the middle of the pad here, they're some of my weakest receivers. They don't actually work anywhere but in the middle of that pad, the transmitter pad. That's the strongest spot. Ones under the table are going quite nicely there. You can see the amp draw is now dropping down to about 445 milliamps. Now I'm just going to take some stuff away and see if that changes the draw. And we're now down to 442. That does seem to be dropping a little bit quicker, pulling away, but not a lot. So let's try putting a strong coil. That does make a change. As I put this coil in, the amp draw drops off, and as I take it away, the amp draw picks up a bit. About 1 milliamp, it's not a lot. So this is actually making it run more efficiently, although it is killing some of the lights a bit, some of the other ones, so that's causing some interference. So your load does affect your amp draw, but I have taken off all of these lights, and it doesn't slow down a lot. It's pretty much just running away, transmitting what it's transmitting, and it's up to you up to the operator to collect as much of it as possible. So far I haven't hit the limit yet. It's a matter of making better receivers so I can pack more in the area that it's transmitting to. I have tried this speaker as well, which curiously worked before. It's a 1/4 watt 8 ohm speaker. I'll put it on the centre there, and it did make noise, but now it doesn't seem to be doing it anymore. And when I put this other ferrite slug on the side, it actually changed the pitch of the noise. and it does change the waveform. Can you see the scope? Moving magnets around does affect the frequency and the resonance, as does moving the steel coils around, and the ferrite slugs even to some extent, but particularly the things that give off a lot of magnetic fields, not so much things with higher permeability. They have less interference and pick up the power better. Alright, so I think that's it for this one. There will be more to come with this Swiss system, but it might be a bit of a wait. I think I've covered pretty much everything now. So thank you for watching.